13 features an autoresponder must have. Every online business needs an email marketing service, and in order to use the autoresponder feature, a business should be able to automate as much of its marketing as possible. Here are some of the main features to look for. You want to be able to have a large number of subscribers. Some services are free, but only up to a certain number of subscribers. Others set certain price thresholds based on the number of people on your list, so be sure you're not overspending. The autoresponder has to be reasonably priced, and usually the price is based on the number of subscribers one's account can hold. Although cost will be one important factor to consider, it is essential to look for other features as well, so you can create a professional impression with all your email marketing efforts. Attractive sign-up form templates can be advantageous, so you should look for one with a range of colors, styles and themes that are related to your niche or industry, such as food or hobbies. Also, attractive email templates could be a deciding factor. If you would like to add a logo and match your email color scheme to it so your emails will be branded, look for an extensive library of templates. Ease of use is always a good thing. If you are just starting out, find an autoresponder service that is easy to use, with so-called wizards to help you create your first list, sign-up form and autoresponder emails. You might want integration with social media, so check to see if the service allows you to broadcast the emails you send on your social networks by connecting the accounts, and check out if your service allows you to add a subscribe button on, say, your Facebook page. Integration with e-commerce platforms. E-commerce aggregators such as Shopify and Gumroad allow you to email market to your prospects and customers through their service, but they will also allow you to do so through certain autoresponder services such as Aweber. Being able to have an unlimited number of lists is a necessity, so look for a service that does not restrict the number of lists you are allowed to have. List segmentation makes things a lot easier. Make sure your list allows you to mail to only certain portions or segments of your list. List importing and exporting is very important, because if you want to switch services, the current service must allow you to export your current subscribers to your new service. If this is your first time using an autoresponder service, make sure you can export your files and data. Likewise, your new service must allow you to import your list of subscribers. Spam scoring. The service should offer you alerts if anything about your email might be considered as spam and cause it to not get delivered. The score should be a number followed by an explanation of what the issue is so you can fix it. Deliverability is of the utmost importance, and the best email marketing services will keep track of anything that might affect whether or not your email will be delivered, such as changes at Gmail and so forth. Good tracking and analytics. Make sure the service you choose offers good reporting so you can see your delivers, bounces, open rates, clicks and more. You will never succeed with email marketing unless you track your success. Now that you know the most important features to look out for when choosing an autoresponder, compare the features and pricing of several services and see which one is right for you and your business.